I'll now show you exactly how the system can be used for your specific needs. So we start off by an email trigger from IMAP, and this basically logs in with your custom email address and is tied to your inbox. And we're using IMAP because it is faster than the technical Gmail connection. And once we have that, it is going to mark the email as read and convert it to Markdown. And Markdown is just an easier way for the email summarization chain to essentially read and process the information within the email. And we're using DeepSeek v3 to summarize the email. And once we do that, we are going to write the email using a custom prompt. You're an expert at answering emails. You need to answer these professionally based on the information you have. This is a business email. Be concise and never exceed 100 words. Only the body of the email, not the subject. So once we reply to that email and we have a draft, correct? Once we create that email and have the draft, we are also using DeepSeek R1 to formulate this draft. We will edit the fields manually. So we are going to manually map the previous node and place this within a Gmail draft. So once you have the custom mapping completed, it's going to send it to Gmail and wait for a response. It's going to send an email trigger back to the original email that I'm sending it from. So in this case, I'm responding to any outside emails with this personal email. It's going to send a different email to the secondary email that I have attached to this Gmail node. And it's basically going to prompt me to accept the message or decline it. And that's where the text classifier comes in, because if it's approved, it's going to essentially send the email. But if it's not, it's going to adjust the email based on the edits that you input and feed it back into the email reviewer, which uses DeepSeek R1 as well.